house was designed around mountain views, and you cannot beat this view with your morning coffee and the morning sun coming up.
And after your morning coffee and your morning workout, you can make it over to the south-facing deck where you've got these incredible views from Three Sisters all the way down the valley to Cascade Mountain.
And if you want to escape to some shade, we've also got this covered deck with, again, fantastic mountain views.
And while we've shown you some of the views already, this home has so much more to offer.
We're in the exclusive enclave of Hubman 2, dead end, one of the best located units in the project.
Let's go inside and take a look. Entering the home, we've got this really welcoming entryway. It's got some beautiful windows that take in the Three Sisters, and then we're just a few steps up to this main level where we're going to get into showing you what really makes this home outstanding.
This luxury mountain retreat was designed for multi-generations to actually spend time in here. Up here, kitchen, living, dining, primary bedroom, and powder room means this is sort of the owner's level. Then there's 2 more levels below. As you can see, this kitchen is set up to have about 7 or 8 at the eating bar, 4 or 5 people hanging out, cooking as well, leading right into the living room. It's an absolutely incredible space.
This living room is expansive. We've got a custom-built Rondo Rock fireplace that is a wood burner, and then we've got these expansive, probably 20-foot vaulted ceilings. And while those huge windows behind me give you those expansive mountain views, they also let in all that natural light that just seeps through this main floor.
The vaulted ceilings continue in from the living room into this amazing dining room. You can easily fit 12 people at this table, and then you also have access to your barbecue deck.
So still on the main floor, you've got this luxury primary suite. You feel like you're in a penthouse here, elevated above the trees.
You may never want to leave this primary suite. We've got 180-degree views through those windows in the primary suite. Even the view out of this primary ensuite washroom is just incredible. We've got a 5-piece ensuite washroom with a steam shower and a soaker tub.
So we're now on the middle floor. We've got this beautiful family room, access to another deck which is covered, get out of the sun, 2 incredible bedrooms here, one with an amazing ensuite as well.
As Kyle said, this second bedroom is amazing. It's huge and it acts as a second primary bedroom with its own 5-piece ensuite washroom, and your guests have amazing mountain views if they come and stay.
So we're now on the walkout level. You've got another patio here, which would be great for a hot tub. Huge family room. I love this space for grandkids because there's a full bathroom, 2 more bedrooms, and you're a long way away from the primary suite, 2 floors up. As always, thanks for watching.
Our contact information is just below, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.